फूल प्रकृति का एक खूबसूरत तोहफा है। फूल हर किसी को पसंद है और उसकी खूबसूरती और खुशबू से हमें प्रसन्नता मिलती है। फूलों की खुशबू और खूबसूरती सभी को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करती है। Flowers are a real gift to this earth. Actually, every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. They paint contrasting colors along the ground and bring joy to us. Their elegance and delicate touches have us all in awe and exhilaration. प्रकृति में गहराई से देखिए और आप हर एक चीज बेहतर ढंग से समझ सकेंगे। When you take a moment to soak in your surroundings, nature can definitely help you come to some great realizations about life. Open the bloom of your heart and become a gift of beauty to the world. Flowers provoke the feelings of love and happiness because they have the power to make people happy and cheerful. My garden of flowers is also my garden of thoughts and dreams. A home flower garden is a place to create and dream. It is actually a place to play, to work hard, and to rest, contemplating what human beings and nature can create by working together. While it is easy to just order flowers like roses, marigold, daffodils, and petunias, it is much more gratifying when you grow them yourself. My flower garden has indeed made me get closer to nature and to further enjoy being human. Happiness, it takes work, and learning how to live life to the fullest, it takes dedication and practice. Life is indeed short, and we only live once. Learning to live life to the fullest is an important step in making the most of every day. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. Therefore, live life in full bloom. Let your dreams blossom. इसलिए उठो, जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक कि लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना हो जाए। मंजिलें उन्हें नहीं मिलती जिनके ख्वाब बड़े होते हैं, बल्कि मंजिलें उन्हें मिलती है जो जिद पर अड़े होते हैं और कड़ी से कड़ी मेहनत करते हैं। Happiness, it radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good things towards you. Flowers, so beautiful. They seemed like they were smiling. फूल इतने सुंदर, वे ऐसे लगते हैं मानो मुस्कुरा रहे हो। जहां फूल की कली खिलती हो, वहां आशा की कली भी डेफिनेटली खिलती है। Flowers are indeed a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities in the world. So, let's appreciate life's every second. Let us fully embrace the now, no matter what the situation. Let's do the things you love and live every day as if it's your last, embracing each experience as if it's your first. So, focus on today and how you can do your best to live it to the fullest. Let's participate in life instead of just watching it pass you by. Flowers don't worry about how they're going to bloom. They just open up and turn toward the light that makes them beautiful. फूल इस बात की चिंता नहीं करते हैं कि कैसे खिलेंगे। वे बस खुलकर प्रकाश की ओर मुड़ते हैं और यही उन्हें सुंदर बना देते हैं। Flowers do have an energy that will make your heart sing and dance. Actually, a flower's appeal is in its contradictions, so delicate in form yet strong in fragrance, so small in size yet big in beauty, so short in life yet long on effect. प्रकृति में गहराई से देखिए और आप हर एक चीज बेहतर ढंग से समझ सकेंगे। फूल यूं ही नहीं खिलते हैं, बीज को दफन होना पड़ता है। और जिस तरह एक सुंदर फूल तभी खिलता है जब उसके बीज को जमीन के अंदर दफन किया जाता है, ठीक उसी तरीके से अपने सपनों को, अपने ड्रीम्स को रियलाइज करने के लिए you need to put in concentrated, dedicated and sustained effort. हम एक फूल से यह सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे हम अपने आप को न्यौछावर करके और बिना किसी स्वार्थ के दूसरों की खुशियों को और भी बढ़ा सकते हैं. And that is the golden rule of life. That's actually humanity. The very best relationship has a gardener and a flower. The gardener nurtures and the flower blooms. In the same manner, teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that will grow forever. Actually, it's not what is poured into a student that counts, but what is planted. When working with young people, there are times when you will see results in 10 seconds, and there are also times you won't see it for years. Either way, keep planting those seeds of character, as eventually they will definitely bloom. A flower does not think of competing with the flower next to it. It simply blooms. Actually, every flower blooms in its own time. Flower does not use words to announce its arrival to the world. It simply blooms. फूल दुनिया में अपने आगमन की घोषणा करने के लिए शब्दों का उपयोग कभी नहीं करता है. वो तो बस खिलता है. So there are always flowers for those who want to actually see them. Flowers sprout and bloom full of the earth's energy. Their gifts and personality provide all humans the tools they need to accomplish their goals and wishes. In their unassuming beauty, the flowers hold the secrets to healing and protection, to nurturing and preservation. When I admire the wonders of a sunset, my soul expands in the worship of the Creator. Every sunset brings the promise of a new dawn, and every sunset is an opportunity to reset. There is no definition of beauty, but when you can see someone's spirit coming through, something unexplainable, that's beautiful to me. So, love yourself for who you are, and trust me, if you are happy from within yourself, then you are the most beautiful person. So if you have a good sense of humor and a good approach to life, that's beautiful. Beauty has so many forms, and I think the most beautiful thing is confidence and loving yourself. Together, may we give our children the roots to grow and the wings to fly.